So far so good. We only almost flipped one time, which is one more than we usually do. This feels funny. We almost dipped it. Yeah. Chase is laughing. We almost dipped it, dude. We almost went right over that way. That would have been a somersault and a half. I'm gonna get rid of that branch. Probably lost Andy again. Oh yeah, I'm sure. Oh, for sure. He's not back there. He's not back there? That's okay. Where is he?
You lost him in like 4 seconds.
No, he's just playing hide and seek, man. This is a strategy. This is a strategy. He's like, I'll just, you know, let these guys find me. I really find it fun. Get that out of there? Yeah. Did that hurt you?
No, I got you.
That's the one I don't like. I'm parked right on it. How's that 2014 treating you? Good? Yeah, we gotta get rid of some of these branches. They're hitting us in the face. Hey, there's Dan the man. There we go. Now we can open it up. Did you clear something else?
What?
Did you clear something else?
No.
Where'd you go?
Oh, let's see.
Oh, again?
What do you mean again?
You just went.
When?
Dude, before we took off.
Oh, well, yeah, again then.
Did I scare the pee out of you?
No, I just peel off.
Danny, you flip it yet?
You almost did.
No.
We almost flipped it.
Oh, yeah? Were
Yeah.
you on 2 wheels?
That sunk right in there.
Dude, this whole rear end wanted to go over that. It was creepy.
Well, you got a roll plate.
Yeah.
Come on.
This sucks, dude. Look at this. That sucks. You ain't gonna get through that. This trail is getting bad. He made it. Did he? Yeah. He must have given gas. That worked.
No, you lost Danny again. Just catch back up to him.
Okay. You don't have good brakes though. What the This is sketchy. That trail's terrible for him.
I don't think he came down it.
Alright, good.